Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja has affirmed that he will honor summons by the High Court on Thursday, the 30th of January, in an application by the Law Society of Kenya seeking to establish the whereabouts of 3 men who went missing from Mlolongo on December 16th last year. This is after the court held that the IG and the Directorate of Criminal Investigations boss, Mohamed Amin, had been duly served. NTV's Ibrahim Kanja now reports.
It is the second public commitment and assurance in under 48 hours. Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja Kirosho reaffirming his respect for the rule of law and stating that he will attend court as ordered. This statement shared by the National Police Service coming after a High Court ruling.
I want to emphasize my unwavering respect for the rule of law and my consistent willingness to comply with the court orders.
Last week, Kanja and DCI boss Mohamed Amin had disputed that they had been duly served in the petition by the Law Society of Kenya seeking to have the bodies of Justice Mutumwa, Martin Mwau and Karani Mwema presented to court dead or alive. The two top cops had argued that the email address used for service by counsel for the petitioners were not their last respective confirmed and used email addresses. The court, however, dismissed this application, ruling that Kanja and Amin had been duly served.
It is not necessary that there should have been communication between the parties so that there can be a last confirmed and used email address. The publicly available email address can be used as long as it belongs to that officer or the institution being served.
The court also declined to set aside its ruling requiring Kanja and Amin to individually appear before it, and while at it present the bodies of the 3, Mutumwa, Mwau and Mwema. Justice Chacha Mwita thus giving a date of Thursday, the 30th of January at 11 a.m. for the police bosses to take to the dock an order which Kanja has confirmed he will obey.
This matter will come up on 30th of this month, when I expect the first and second respondents to be present and confirm compliance with the orders of the court, and if not, why not?
To eliminate any doubt, I want to reaffirm my readiness and willingness to obey orders issued by our courts of law.
It should be noted that it is only yesterday that yet another court hearing a similar matter, this time involving 7 young men who disappeared in December, 6 of whom have since been released, relieved Kanja of the obligation to appear before it on Monday next week, the 27th of January 2025. Justice Bahati Mwamuye issued the temporary suspension of his own orders, giving Kanja, Amin and George Njao, the Director General of the National Youth Service, time to file their applications and affidavits challenging the petition. The Bahati Mwemuye-led court will still sit on Monday, the 27th of January, for further directions, though with no expectation of a physical appearance of both Kanja or Amin at that time, owing to the new directions. Thursday was the 37th day since the 3 men went missing, and when the court sits again next Thursday, it will be 43 days since they were last seen.
At 11.
Ibrahim Kanja, NTV.